Congratulations, you've gotten your braces on today. You've started your journey towards a great smile and a beautiful bite. I want to spend a few minutes talking to you about keeping your teeth clean and healthy during braces. We're going to start that discussion with brushing. Brushing is super important during braces. You're going to spend a little extra time than you're used to spending brushing your teeth. That's because now we have brackets and wires that are in the way and take a little bit extra time to clean around. We want to spend a minimum of 2 minutes twice a day brushing our teeth. One key is we want to be sure that we brush all the teeth and that we get every surface of every tooth. We want to get the cheek side of the tooth, the biting side of the tooth, and the tongue side of the tooth. When we brush, we want to use soft circular motions and just be real diligent to be sure that you're getting everything off of, not only off the tooth, but out of the wires and from around the brackets. One area I want you to pay particular attention to while you're brushing is your gum line, particularly the upper and lower front teeth. The gum line tends to be an area where plaque tends to accumulate and is the problem spot most often in patients that are having problems keeping their teeth clean and their gums healthy. From brushing, we're going to move on to flossing. We're going to give you some tools to help with your flossing, the first of which is SuperFloss. SuperFloss is a special kind of floss designed for braces users. It has a waxy end that will help you thread the floss under the wire, and once the floss is under the wire, it's very easy. Then you just floss as normal. Another thing we're going to give you is called a platypus flosser. The platypus is a floss holder, and it has floss on a piece of plastic. One of the plastic ends is very thin, so it can actually fit between the wire and the tooth, making flossing really easy while you're in braces. We know if we can make flossing easy for you, you're going to be more likely to do it, and then you're going to do a better job keeping your teeth clean and your gums healthy during treatment. Next thing I want to talk about is water picking. Water picking is one of my personal favorite ways to keep your teeth during orthodontic treatment. I've been through adult braces and I used a water pick every day that I had adult braces on. Water pick is a stream of water that we can use to clean between the teeth, under the wires, and around the brackets. Just aim that stream at the area you're trying to clean, hold it there for a few seconds, it'll irrigate the area and clean it out for you. Patients that I've seen who use water pick consistently and properly tend to have the cleanest teeth and the healthiest gums we see of all our orthodontic patients. Another thing we want to talk about is a fluoride rinse. A fluoride rinse is something you get at the drugstore. Phosphor and ACT are two brands that we see often, but the brand does not matter. You just want to be sure that fluoride is the active ingredient. The fluoride rinse, you're going to swish with it for 1 minute. Just once a day is all that's needed. And then you're going to spit it out, keep those teeth strong and healthy. Finally, we're going to talk about a proxy brush. They're really useful at getting stuff out from under the wires and out from around the brackets. Because they're so small, they can get into those hard to reach areas and clean out food from under the wires and around the brackets. Proxy brush is a great thing to bring to school with you, or if you're eating out away from the house and you feel like you got food stuck under your wires or around your brackets, just grab your proxy brush, clean under those wires between each tooth real quick, and that will keep your teeth healthier during treatment.